Hello, Namaste. This is Saudamini studying in 7th standard. I am 12 years old. Today we are going to discuss about letter J in Technique 2 in typical individual letters in capital letters and small letters in cursive handwriting and non-cursive handwriting. Today we are going to discuss about letter J. Before discussing about today's topic, I am going to discuss about a few minutes about letter I. How to write letter I and what are the uses of letter I. Letter I must be very neatly and very artistic letter and enthusiastic letter. In capital letter I in non-cursive handwriting, compulsory you should keep draw a straight line from upper part to lower baseline, and you should keep upper line and downer line equal, or down line big and upper line small you can keep, but never you keep upper line bigger than downer line small. Downer line you should not keep small and upper line you should never keep big. You should not reverse them, because by reversing them like that you can get a hypertension and you can go into the subconscious stage like coma stage. Like that you will get more anger by writing that continuously. Like that you can get more anger and you can go into subconscious stage, and by this anger you can get diseases like BP means blood pressure. You can get by writing I correctly, you can decrease your disease BP. You can decrease BP. In some cases you can get BP into normal stage also by practicing. I mean మీరు బాగా సాధన అంటే ఆ లెటర్ బాగా సాధన చేస్తే ఆ డిసీజ్ ఉన్నాళ్ళు యూ కెన్ గెట్ ఇంటూ నార్మల్ స్టేజ్ ఆల్సో. కాకపోతే దాని మీద కాస్త ఎక్కువ కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ పెట్టి మనం ఏదైనా ఒకటి తగ్గాలంటే మనం దాని గురించి ఆలోచిస్తూ ఎక్కువ కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ పెట్టి కరెక్ట్గా చేస్తే వీ కెన్ గెట్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఎనీ డిసీజ్ ఇంటూ నార్మల్ స్టేజ్. Okay, now coming to today's discussion about letter J. If you want to before writing letter J, if you are interested in knowing and more you want to know more exclusive on letter I, you can see my previous classes. Now letter J. How to write cursive letter small j. Starting a curve and from here should you like I. How you write I? Like this, same like I, again down, and but I we can keep for here only, but for J you should take it to the lower part and from here okay like this. Here also see you are getting one triangle shape. Here you should get one triangle shape, and here one type of sleeping triangle shape. Two triangles in J you should get, and here one fish. See, fish shaped structure, down facing fish shaped structure, and you should keep exactly upon it a dot. Exactly upon it like I, you should keep on the J dot. Now coming to cursive letter capital J. From here onwards, here starting point will be from middle point upper line. Here too you should keep like this, okay, and upper one dot, single dot. If you want to make it more artistic full, you can write in another way, same like this, one triangle shape and like this, and you can keep like this. You should get one fish, same like small j, big J, but you should give from here starting point, same like this. This is more artistic full J. And this non-cursive J, how to write small non-cursive J? From middle part upper line to down lower part you should take J like this, and you should keep on dot. This J is very simple and very easy. This must be like umbrella handle. We will umbrella handle. You can see for the umbrellas you will have a handle curve. Same like that curve you should get. Now capital J. Capital J must be straight line from here, and you should give umbrella curve, and here you should draw a line on the upper line. You should draw a sleeping line. This is J. By writing J like this, you can improve your knowledge. You can improve mind power. You can improve your mind power, and you can improve knowledge. If your mind power is increased, you can improve your knowledge automatically. So by writing J like this correctly from upwards to downwards, in cursive downwards to upwards, and ending point, starting point, all should be clarity and clearly. Anybody can know that is J letter. Some members write J also like I also like J. Like these letters you should get clarity. Others could recognize your letters very clearly and carefully, and you should write very carefully. And you can like this J, you can improve your mind power. Like some members cannot like maths, so by maths or science, like these subjects, so by improving mind power you can get interest on them. So if your children are not interested on any subject, or you should not, you can improve their mind power by writing this J very carefully. And all letters, not only for J, you should give all letters same importance and equal importance. We will not use Z very much, but we should give for Z also equal importance. So if we use or we may not use always, we should give equal importance to all letters. Okay, next class we are going to discuss about capital in technique 1, individual, the typical individual letters, about letter K in small letters and small letters and capital letters in cursive and non-cursive. Today we discussed about J. So if you are interested to see my further classes and lessons, please subscribe us and follow us. Thank you.